buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang isinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na ipinakikilos ng sambayan ng makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. Ready, front!
Scout out and look. Scout high, post. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, the Republic of the Philippines, and to obey the Scout law, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. Scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, lead, reverent. Ready, front!